there with you is the next best day of my life.
Hi, welcome to Butterfly Cottage. Today we are making my style KFC chicken. Okay, so what we've got 4 chicken breasts sliced into roughly 1 centimetre thick slices, 1.5 teaspoons of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 250 milligrams of natural yogurt, or you can use buttermilk, and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste. What we're going to do is we're going to put it all into this bowl and leave it to marinade for 30 minutes. It should look something like this. Now we're just going to cover it, put it in the fridge, half an hour. The longer you leave it, the more tender it will get. Okay, so while the chicken is marinating, we've got the dry ingredients ready for the rub. So we've got 1.5 cups of plain flour. Then we've got 1.5 teaspoons of mixed herb. We've got a teaspoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of dried mustard, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of chili, and half a teaspoon of celery salt. Going to mix that together, and then when the chicken's ready, we will get some egg wash mixed up, and then we'll dippy and it'll be lovely. Okay, now for the messy bit. You can take some of your chicken, dip it in the flour. You only want to be doing between 3 to 4 pieces at a time. Shake the flour off, dip it in the egg, and then back in the flour. Okay, press the flour in, make sure it's well pressed in. And it wants to have that flaky look. Okay, now you want to be cooking 3 to 4 pieces of this at a time. Right, okay, so the oil is now hot enough. Got our chicken, remember 3 to 4 pieces at a time. Knock the flour off before you pop it in. I'm going to go 4. That's it, okay. Now I'll leave that to cook till it's golden brown. Now it's time to turn it. Do it carefully, you don't want to knock any of that delicious batter off. So here I have a cooling rack with some kitchen paper underneath to catch the fat, and a plate, and I will be putting my chicken on there when it's ready to leave it go crispy while I get everything else ready. So now this is almost ready. It's time to prepare the next lot. And there we have our first batch out. Let's go on with the rest of it. So the chicken's ready, and I've got Lucy over here to do a taste test for me. Let's see what she thinks. Okay, so here it is ready. KFC chicken, my style. And then I thought I'd do a bit of a twist. So I took the chicken that was in the marinade and I put it in breadcrumbs. Now Lucy's going to do a taste test and she's going to tell us which one she thinks is the nicest.
Hi.
Okay, go on then, Lucy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try the sweet and sour sauce because I don't
It's
like
a sweet
that.
chilli sauce.
Either way. Oh, good.
Okay, I'll try the other one.
Pick a nice bit. I'll put ketchup on this one.
Okay.
That's hot.
Which one do you think is the best?
They taste the same. This one is like a little bit spicy or like pepperier.
Okay,
This one's hotter. It's burning my phone.
that'll be fresh cooked then.
They're both really good. They practically taste the same. They're both just really, really good. They taste the same. I can't decide.
Shall I make it again?
Yeah,
And again and again and
yeah.
again.
Never stop.
Okay. Butterfly Cottage KFC chicken. Follow me. Right, men folk.
Are we guinea pigs? What's what?
Okay, so this is the marinated chicken in the southern fried marinade, but then I breadcrumbed it as a twist, and this one is my KFC.
What have I got to put this on?
That's sweet chili sauce.
That's lovely. Green it in.
Okay, but you haven't tried the actual KFC recipe one.
That's more like KFC.
That's because that is the KFC recipe. The Colonel gave me the recipe himself. What do you think, Jack?
And you're going to give it away to everyone?
Yeah, I'm giving it away, but at a price. What do you have to do?
You need to like, subscribe, and ring
hit
that bell.
bell.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
'Cause every day with you is the next